Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one, your friend. Correct. Number two, do you eat every day? What is the word? Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer has 2 buddies. Jennifer has 2 buddies. Buddies. Jennifer has 2 buddies. Buddy is another word for friend. Now we can make a flashcard for buddy. 1 buddy, B-U-D-D-Y, but for the plural, we change the Y to I-E-S. These words are similar. Body, only 1 D. Bunny is another word for rabbit. Please make a card like this. Write buddy up here. B-U-D-D-Y. Down here, P-E-O, 1. This means people, level 1. Over here, the number 6 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. B-U-D-D, buddy. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. What do you drink every day? What do you drink every day? What? We don't pronounce the H. What do you drink? Do you drink juice or milk or cold water? Now we can make a flashcard for what? Please make a flashcard like this. Write what up here in the top left corner. W-H-A-T. Down here, GW1. This means grammar, word, level 1. Over here, the number 121 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. What? Same sound as cup. Remember the W, we use the lips. Wah, wah. What? And remember, the only time WH sounds like an H is these 2 words. Who? Whole. Game over. You did really well today. Is Bob your buddy? Yes, he is. Very good. Number 2. What do you eat? Correct. Do you eat rice or fish or vegetables? If you're high level, level 2 words. Your pay you get from work. Salary. Yeah, very nice. Number 2, I am surprised. Yes, adjective. Number 3, some people put on their skin lotion. Correct. I don't use it, but some people do. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching.